Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, sir.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Before we study English, let's pray together. Begin. Have done.
Neng Nova Ariyanti, Rizpan Mustafa, Siti Repa Nurjana. Listening. Okay. Again, speaking.
Speak up. Hihi, ha, well.
Okay, good. Writing. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then reading. Okay, give applause for us. Okay. In the last meeting, we have studied about a procedural text. Okay, what is procedural text? Raise your hand. What is procedural text? Okay, Neng Nova Ariyanti.
Procedural text is text that explains how to do or how to make something.
Okay, the key is a text explain how to do or how to make something. Okay. How many structure of procedural text? Raise your hand. How many? How many? How many? How many? How many? Three. Okay. The first one is gone. The second one? Material. The third one? Steps. Okay. That's a structure of procedural text. Okay. Structure of procedural text. Next, we are going to know about learning objective, or in Bahasa Indonesia, we know about tujuan pembelajaran. Okay. The first one, use imperative sentence correctly. To study writing procedural text here, you have to use imperative sentence correctly. And then the second one, create procedural text about how to do or how to make something about agribusiness, pengolahan hasil pertanian simply. Next, I will assess you when you work in a group to accomplish a writing procedural text. I will assess you, your collaboration, how you work together with your friends to do the project of writing procedural text. Okay, and then you're independent, how you make a task or the project effectively, and then your creativity on doing the project. Okay, and then in the end, I will give you summative assessment for this learning, namely product of writing procedural text. Learning English should be brave to be false. Jadi ini kata bahasa Indonesianya, belajar bahasa Inggris itu harus berani salah. If you don't want to be false, it means you don't want to study. Jadi ketika kalian tidak berani untuk salah mengungkapkan bahasa Inggris atau menulis bahasa Inggris itu karena takut salah, artinya kalian tidak akan belajar. Okay? Tidak akan belajar. So, to be brave, to be false. Okay. So, don't be afraid to learn writing procedural text. It is easy to master. Jadi jangan takut, terutama sekarang kita akan belajar procedural text karena text procedure itu sangat mudah untuk kita pahami, ya. Your hand, what is procedural text? Okay, Neng Nova Ariyanti.
Procedural text is text that explains how to do or how to make something.
Okay, the key is text explain how to do or how to make something. Okay. How many structure of procedural take? Raise your hand. How many? How many? How many? How many? How many? Three. Okay. The first one is goal. The second one? Material. The third one? Steps. Okay. That's a structure of procedural text. Okay. Structure of procedural text. You have to understand about writing organizer of procedural text. The first one is goal or purpose. Goal or purpose tell what will be made or done. Might include a brief description of the product. Goal and purpose also put in the beginning of the procedural text. You can call the goal and purpose something like a title, or dalam bahasa Indonesia itu judul, ya. Okay, next, material or requirement. Material can be include ingredients or bumbu-bumbu, and then utensil, the kitchen tools, something like plate, spoon. What else? Kitchen tools. Kitchen tools, spoon, and then flat, and then knife, etc. And then material can be also tools. Okay. And then steps. On step in order of what needs to be done. And then include diagram or picture if needed. Okay. If you write procedural text on some application, something like Canva, you can insert the picture if needed. Okay. Also the diagram, it can be. Step usually start with action verb. The verb can be like imperative sentence. Yes, imperative sentence. And then step are number or sequence in order. Something firstly, secondly, thirdly, fourthly, and lastly. Okay. So in the end, you have to make a product, something like this. Include the goal, include material, include step, include sequence, include the sentence of imperative sentence. Okay, see on your group, this is there is LKPD for individual. On group. Okay, LKPD. I have made the LKPD on Google Form. You can click the link on group. There is LKPD. Oke, sudah. Coba di grup sudah ada. Yang LKPD-nya ya. Ya. Yang LKPD itu yang terakhirnya ada angka satunya. Itu LKPD. Okay, you have to answer the question by a checklist, the correct one. Checklist, correct one. Okay. Silakan.
Di situ di kampus.
Satu. Ayo checklist. Tuh.
Udah jelasin kan itu jadi hilang deh sih apa.
Sok, coba deh.
Itu biasa di checklist.
Coba. Wait.
Wait sih. Tuh.
So, yeah. No answer. Okay. Satu aja pilih, nggak apa-apa. Okay. So, okay, time is up. Based on the answer that reflect on Google Form, almost 80% can answer the question correctly. Jadi hampir 80% ya bisa mengerjakan soal itu dengan baik. You will divide into four group. Okay, please make a group here. Please move on to make a group. We make a deal first before continue our activity. Okay, the group 1, 30 minutes. Group 2, 30 minutes. Group 3, 30 minutes. Group 4, 40 minutes. Okay. They are 3 groups who have chosen the timeline is 40 minutes. Okay. We deal 30 minutes to finish the writing procedural text project. Okay. Okay, the time start right now. 30 minutes. Terlewat koma, setelah koma huruf kecil ya. Okay, be careful with capital letter. Is there a picture on steps? Ada gambar-gambarnya? Okay. Okay, you can insert it on Canva application. Okay, 15 minutes more. If your group have done, please send on group WA class 11. Okay, 10 minutes more. Okay, host already submit? Okay. Group 3 has finished. Okay, every group has already finished the project. Okay, next we are going to make a presentation about your project of each group. Okay, I will display the project and then you show and make a presentation about the structure of the text of your project. And then others group can give the score like for good one is the best, good, and enough. The best, good, and enough. Okay, the best, good, and enough. And also give the question and also give the opinion, etc. Okay, please come forward, group 1.
We are from group 1.
We will make a presentation.
We will make about presentation. How to operate Rostov.
Okay, how to operate Rostov. Okay.
This is material.
Okay, gas cylinders.
Gas cylinder, regulator, hose, lighter, Rostov.
Okay.
The gas cylinder.
Okay. This is the picture. Okay. Second.
Set the on off button.
Third.
The on off button help by.
Okay. Four.
Use a lighter to light the Rostov.
Okay, everybody want to give additional opinion or question or give score? Okay, for group 1. Okay, give score for group 1. Group 2.
Good.
Good. Okay, group 3. Good. Okay, the score is good. Okay, give applause for the first group. Okay, group 2. Group 2. Slightly. 4.
Or light the stop using a lighter.
Okay, finally.
White until it light up and stop is ready using.
Okay. Good. Group 3. Enough. Group 4. Good. Okay, the score is good. Give applause for group 2. Okay, next group 3.
Fourthly, turn on the on button.
Okay, next.
Fifthly, press the handlebars, press the cutting and
handlebar, handlebar, then move horizontally. Then enough. Okay. The score, please. Good.
Good.
Good. Good. Okay. The score is good. Okay. Give applause for group 3. Sorry, group 4.
We are from Group 4. As for our group members including Dewi Mawarsari, Neng Noparianti, Novita Swati, Siti Nur Hasanah, Suryanti, Di Alpadibi.
This is goal. Cassava chips. How to make cassava chips? Next, to make cassava chips, you need to prepare the following ingredients: 1 kilogram cassava, 5 cloves of garlic, salt to taste, clean water, and cooking oil. Apart from the materials above, you also need to prepare the following tools: stove, frying pan, bowl, knife, spoon, scoop, mortar, bucket, and electric meat slicer.
There are several steps to make cassava chips. First, peel the cassava skin. Second, wash the peeled cassava thoroughly. Third, finely slice about 1 centimeter using an electric meat slicer.
Enough. Okay. The score from group 1. The best. Okay. Group 2.
Best.
The best. Group 3. The best. Okay. The score is the best. Okay. Give applause. Okay. Please sit down and closing statement, please.
Maybe that's all our presentation. Thank you for all your attention.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, we will discuss together about the presentation of your group 3. Group 3, it should be write the group member also, the name of group member. Okay. In this presentation. Okay, look at the product, the project. Okay, step firstly connect with the picture. This is good. Picture. Okay, action verb is good. This is action verb. Sequence is good. Okay, good for group 3. Group 2. Okay. Okay. Anybody want to discuss about this? Okay, first should be no freeze. First. Okay, this is incorrect. Yeah? Should be careful with your typing or your writing. For make sure you can use your handphone or smartphone to make sure that the word is correct. Okay, group 1. Group 1. Okay. Okay, name of a group and then group member should be exist here. Okay. It can be with small letter in the beginning. Sebetulnya gak apa-apa kalau di material ya. Apa. And then step correct, action verb, and then sequence is correct. Okay, with the picture. Or enough? Any question? Any question? Apakah ada pertanyaan tentang materi khususnya ini, tentang materi ini? No, okay. I will give you the link on group class 11. You have to click about reflection, this one, reflection. I think this one, number 1, reflection. Okay. Untuk penyampaian mungkin harus ada perbaikan ya, beberapa perbaikan cara Bapak menyampaikan supaya lebih terstruktur lagi, lebih bagus lagi ya. Our majority, all of you choose this one. Oke, jadi lumayan pembelajaran seperti ini sangat menyenangkan. And then two, bermakna. Majority student choose B, bermakna. Bermakna artinya pembelajaran ini memang sering kita temukan dalam kehidupan sehari-hari. Next, penguasaan materi, choose C, cukup menguasai ya. Jadi cukup, jadi mayoritasnya memilih cukup ya. And then for untuk keaktifan milihnya aktif yang B, jadi hampir semuanya terlibat ketika kalian mengerjakan proyek. Kemudian untuk kerjasamanya juga, ini cukup baik ya, untuk gotong royongnya cukup aktif di sini. To write procedural text correctly, untuk membuat teks procedural yang bagus, yang benar. The first one we have know about structure of procedural text. The first one is goal, second one is material, the third one is step. Okay. Next, you also more understand about sequence, and then the last one is imperative sentence. Okay, repeat again. The first one is structure of procedural text. The second one is sequence. The third one is imperative sentence. This is the key to master procedural text, especially on writing skill. Okay. Next, for enrichment for group 4. You have make videos about your writing, your project, and then upload to social media, something like YouTube, and then send the link to me. Okay, this is for group 4 and 3. Okay, for group 1 and 2, you have to revise your procedural text based on my recommendation. Okay, and next week we are going to study about analytical exposition. Okay, this is new material of course for you. In the next meeting we are going to discuss about this. Walaupun kalian banyak yang salah ya, atau kurang tepat dalam menulis dan lain sebagainya, that's the process. Itu adalah prosesnya. I think you can be better in the next meeting. Kalian akan lebih baik lagi dalam pertemuan selanjutnya. Jangan menyerah, terus belajar bahasa Inggris baik di sekolah maupun di rumah. Yang terpenting kalian practice. Practice itu mempraktekkan. Let's finish our activity today. Of course, about writing procedural text. With doa kifaratul majlis, subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika asyhadu alla ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.